Hello and welcome to another video of Crypto Tutorship. Dash to Trade is one of the hottest new crypto platforms and tokens. But what exactly is it? How does the Dash to Trade function? What is the purpose of Dash to Trade? In today's video, we'll talk about what Dash to Trade is. This video is going to be incredible, so watch the entire video. Let's dive into it. FOMO and cryptocurrency. It depends on how you view the condition of dread known as fear of missing out, sometimes abbreviated as FOMO, as a new phenomena or something as old as mankind itself. In any case, the thought that one may miss out on something fun, helpful, or profitable became one of the 2010s buzzwords, as individuals were bombarded with social media to the point that everything seemed to be of critical significance. Another thing that grew popular in the 2010s was blockchain technology, and by extension, cryptocurrencies. Again, the idea of having money that wasn't controlled by central banks or traditional financial institutions grew appealing to many individuals, especially with the promise that technology might produce a currency that was safe, transparent, and private. Along with this, stories began to surface at the time of early crypto users who had been clever and lucky enough to benefit when crypto prices initially rose. Something that, of course, cannot be guaranteed to happen all of the time. You may be ahead of us here, but there is a significant link between the world of cryptocurrency and the fear of missing out. What is Dash to Trade? There's a connection between cryptocurrency and FOMO. It was maybe unavoidable that a blockchain-based platform would develop to help alleviate that problem. If you wish to invest in 2022, Dash to Trade is a Bloomberg terminal for cryptocurrency traders and investors. It's a crypto analytics and information portal. Dash to Trade is designed to help you grow in your cryptocurrency trading. Dash to Trade allows you to stay on top of the market by allowing you to build and test trading strategies, as well as keep up with the latest news and on-chain statistics. Dash to Trade excels at exposing the information that genuinely influences performance, providing you with a comprehensive grasp of the most important aspects to consider when making educated trading decisions. They have identified some of the most useful data items that allow users to fully comprehend the market and make important trading decisions. Dash to Trade is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency analytics and social trading platform that provides exclusive access to profitable cryptocurrency purchasing opportunities. This will be accomplished using a variety of tried and true methods and strategies, all of which can be accessed directly on the Dash to Trade platform via manual or automated analysis systems. The Dash to Trade platform will be powered entirely by the D2T token. It was launched as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum network, giving users access to the platform's crypto analytics, signaling, and social trading features. Dash to Trade aspires to be a top-tier social trading and cryptocurrency analytics platform. They seek to provide traders with as much value as possible by providing actionable trading signals, conveniently accessible on-chain data, and all the trading tools needed to capitalize on market opportunities. The Dash to Trade token. Every blockchain-based system has its own native token, and Dash to Trade has the aptly titled Dash to Trade cryptocurrency, which will trade under the ticker T2T. People who own the cryptocurrency will be able to access the platform's dashboard and use the platform's other services, such as social trading challenges, listing notifications, and on-chain technical data. The Dash to Trade cryptocurrency, which went on sale in late October 2022, is based on the Ethereum network, as is the Dash to Trade platform. As a result, it's a token rather than a coin. Despite the fact that the Dash to Trade cryptocurrency has not yet been completely released, the platform does have a plan for both the token and the system. The D2T token presale began on October 27, 2022, and by November 7th, it had raised over $5.5 million of the $8.757 million objective. The first presale price was 0.0513 Tether, which meant that if the Tether remained pegged to the dollar, it was worth $0.0513. When the token hits its presale price, it will rise to $0.0533 Tether. After the presale, Dash to Trade will launch its dashboard in beta form. People who purchase D2T during the presale will have to wait until the presale is complete to find out what happens to D2T. While this is normal for crypto presales, the fact that D2T might be classified as a token that doesn't truly exist yet at the time of writing may deter people from investing in it at this early stage. While there's no evidence that it's a fraud, it is prudent to use caution when considering whether or not to invest in D2T at this time. As with any cryptocurrency investment, it is critical to conduct your own research before making any decisions. How to buy Dash to Trade token. As the crypto business has developed, so has the demand for precise and trusted services that provide digital asset analysis. Dash to Trade, an innovative new environment with all of the tools and capabilities required by successful crypto traders, is one project that tries to meet this demand. The first step is to ensure that the MetaMask wallet is installed on your browser, or that you're connecting to a compatible wallet using one of the supported wallets. We recommend Wallet Connect. A desktop browser will make it easier to make purchases. For this, we recommend MetaMask. We recommend using Wallet Connect and connecting via the built-in browser. The second step is purchase ETH or USDT. After selecting the wallet provider, click Connect Wallet to select the appropriate choice. When utilizing a mobile wallet app, you must select Wallet Connect. The third step is to connect your wallet to the pre-sale dashboard. On the Dash to Trade website, select the Connect Wallet option. Investors can select the wallet provider from a pop-up box that will appear. When you've made your decision, follow the on-screen steps to connect your cryptocurrency wallet from step 1 to the pre-sale dashboard. The fourth step is purchase Dash to Trade tokens. In the order box that appears, enter the needed investment amount. A minimum investment of 1,000 D2T is required for Dash to Trade. Choose either ETH or USDT to facilitate the exchange. Fifth and the last step is obtain tokens. After the presale, you'll be able to obtain your D2T tokens. You must visit the main website. We'll provide you additional information as it becomes available. What comes next for Dash? Dash is experimenting with a new feature called Dash Platform, which allows users and apps to store data in the network. This will allow you to connect with Dash in new ways, such as creating a Dash username, maintaining a contact list, creating profile information, and automatically transmitting shipping information for orders. Dash will now deliver a user experience comparable to that of famous fintech programs such as PayPal or Cash App. Dash has a long history of innovation aimed at making cryptocurrency payments more accessible and relevant to mainstream customers. And the project continues to grow and develop as a cryptocurrency payments industry leader.